Introducing the Kubota 30, your versatile workhorse that blends power, precision and reliability. Boasting a robust Kubota diesel engine, it delivers exceptional horsepower for tough digging, lifting and grading tasks. Its zero-tail swing design and boom swing function navigate tight spaces effortlessly, while the advanced HMS hydraulic system ensures smooth, simultaneous operations. Auto idle technology cuts fuel costs, and the ROPS FOPS protected cab keeps you safe in every job. From construction sites to landscaping and agricultural projects, this compact dynamo excels anywhere. Intuitive controls, durable build and legendary Kubota quality. The Kubota 30 turns challenges into completed tasks, faster and smarter.